In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend the composition duration in your project. This is an essential skill for anyone working with video editing software, as it allows you to adjust the length of your composition to suit your creative needs. Whether you're working on a short clip or a longer piece, knowing how to manage the duration effectively is crucial. Let's dive right in. First, we need to access the composition settings. Look towards the menu bar at the top of your screen and click on Composition. From there, navigate to Composition Settings. This is where you can manage various aspects of your project. Once open, you'll see a section labeled Duration. This is where you have control over how long your composition will be. Enter your desired duration, whether you're looking to extend it by a few seconds or several minutes. Be sure to consider the overall pacing and content of your video when making this adjustment. After you've set your new duration, it's important to ensure that all your layers align with this extended timeline. Without this step, parts of your composition might end abruptly before others, leading to gaps or awkward pauses in your final cut. The next step involves adjusting your layers to fit the new composition length. Take a moment to review the layers in your timeline panel. If any of them fall short of your new duration, you'll need to extend them. You can easily do this by clicking on the end point of a layer and dragging it out to match the new end point of your composition. It's a simple process, but it's crucial for maintaining the integrity of your video. For those layers that can't be stretched, or if you're working with specific media files that loop or repeat seamlessly, consider duplicating the layer. To do this, select the layer you want to duplicate, right-click, and choose the duplicate option from the menu. This gives you another instance of the layer you've selected, effectively extending your content's presence on the timeline. Place this duplicate immediately after the original layer to ensure a smooth transition that seamlessly fits the new duration. By following these steps, you're able to maintain a consistent look and feel throughout your composition, regardless of how long you've decided to make it. Remember, adjusting your composition duration isn't just about making it longer. It's about ensuring the content you have fits cohesively within the time frame you've set, without leaving out any crucial moments or having any awkward pauses. And there you have it. Extending the composition duration is all about making sure that every part of your project works together in harmony. With these simple steps, you've successfully mastered this aspect of video editing, enhancing both your workflow and your final product. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.